Let's begin the test with some general info. This cube is named Ambition and it's released April 23rd, 2021. It measures 60 millimeters across and weighs only 106 grams, which is the lightest flagship 4x4, and it's released by the X-Men design, which is a sub-brand of GE. Well, this is not exactly brand new. I have opened it before, but let's open it again. So it comes with this white box. I think X-Men switched from like the black box to the white one since the Flare 2x2, and I do like the white color a little more. So let's see this package in this white version of the box, and I think it's beautiful. Let's see the color shades. The contrast is pretty nice. I think like darken the red a little bit, and I do like it. Let's see it turning. It's pretty good, but I'm getting some lockups. I think it's maybe because of tension. Not sure though. But I'd say this cube turns pretty well, and it's pretty fast, unlike the Shadow or the Spark. Yeah. And in the accessory box, there are just cards and one card and a pamphlet, which says the world record set by using X-Men cubes. Yeah, not really useful. I think I'm having a pretty good first impressions with this cube, so I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Maybe the factory lube is affecting the turning a little, but I think I'll wipe down a little bit. The regular corner cutting is a little bit over the line, middle line, and the reverse corner cutting is like half a piece. So I don't think it has amazing corner cutting, but I think it's enough for me. Since it does not have amazing corner cutting, so let's give him a 5 out of 10. Oh, sorry, but yeah. The flexibility and the stability, they're serving me quite well, and I can really spam TPS and without worrying about like overshooting or lockups. So I want to give them 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I think the feel is really nice. It's soft and plush, and it's quite stiff out of the box actually. And after lubing it with some Martian lube, I put like 10 drops of Martian in this and break it in, and I love it. So I want to give it a 8 out of 10. But the feel is like personal preference, so that doesn't mean much. Section C. We already talked about the pros, let's talk about the cons. I noticed one side has like squeaky noise, and that's because see that ring surrounding the screw, that ring, under that thing there's like a lot of friction, and I forgot what side it is, but that side like way too much friction, and it just created a squeaking sound. So what I do is I put a few drops of lunar lube just right at contact point, and the lube will go in itself and break it in, and now it does not have that sound. For the overall score, I want to give it a A+. Although the corner cutting is not that good, I don't see any problems with that. See, I can turn really fast, and yeah, I think that's like the corner gunning is enough. So this cube is my new main, and I'll be using it for maybe a long time, I guess. If you have any thoughts of this cube, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, or your cube will pop every single soul, and please ring the bell, or I will loot your cube with all the souls.